Have you ever felt like you're fighting a battle inside your own mind? A battle between who you want to become and what keeps pulling you backward? That battle is often called lust. Lust is not love. Love wants to give. Lust wants to take. Love sees a person. Lust sees a body. Lust is an intense desire for pleasure that ignores consequences. It promises satisfaction, but it never stays satisfied. The more you feed it, the stronger it becomes. Many people think lust is harmless. It's normal. Everyone does it. It's not affecting my life. But that's exactly why it's dangerous. The chains are strongest when you don't realize you're wearing them. Part 2. How lust is destroying your life and you didn't even realize. Lust doesn't destroy your life in one day. It destroys it one decision at a time. Every time you choose instant pleasure over long-term growth, you train your brain to seek comfort instead of achievement. You lose focus. You lose discipline. You lose control. The goals you once cared about start feeling harder to pursue because your mind becomes addicted to quick rewards. Lust steals your energy. It steals your confidence. It steals your time. Hours become days. Days become months. Months become years. And while you're chasing temporary pleasure, your goals are getting harder to achieve. Think about the strongest version of yourself, the disciplined version, the focused version, the confident version. Now ask yourself, how many times has lust pulled you away from the person you could become? The truth is, lust doesn't just affect your habits, it affects your identity. When you constantly surrender to your impulses, you begin to believe you are weak. And the moment you believe you're weak, you stop expecting greatness from yourself. Part 3. How to destroy lust and become the person you could be first. Stop relying on willpower. Willpower fades. Systems don't. Remove the triggers. Unfollow accounts that tempt you. Delete content that feeds your weakness. Make it difficult to access the things that keep you trapped. Second, stay busy with a purpose. Lust grows when you're lazy. Train your body. Work on your goals. Read. Learn. Create. Build a life so meaningful that you don't have time to waste chasing temporary pleasure. Third, learn to sit with discomfort. Every urge feels powerful at first, but urges are like waves. If you don't act on them, they eventually disappear. You don't need to obey every feeling you have. You only need to outlast it. And finally, remember who you're trying to become. Every day, you have 2 choices. Feed your future or feed your impulses. One choice makes you stronger. The other keeps you stuck. The person you want to become is waiting on the other side of lust. Not tomorrow. Not next year. Today. Because every time you say no to lust, you're saying yes to your future self. A stronger character. A stronger future. And one day, you'll look back and realize that the greatest victory wasn't over lust. It was over the weaker version of yourself. The moment you gain control of your desires is the moment you begin to gain control of your life.